Hey guys, Steven with MG Cleaners here. We've had a couple questions about unloaders, so I want to take a minute and give you a quick rundown on them, or a real basic way to test them on how they work. I've got two models sitting out here. These are probably the two most common used in the industrial pressure washer side. But whatever machine you use, pretty much going to be this way. These are called trap pressure unloaders. And the way they work is in normal operation when you have the trigger squeezed, this is going to be open, which allows water to travel through it and go out and go through to your gun. What happens is once you release that trigger, that pressure has to have somewhere to go, and it can no longer go to your gun. So it's going to build pressure up on this back side, and it's going to push up here, which will push this ball down, and it'll overcome this spring, which is set to adjust for your pressure. Once that happens, this is going to set, it's going to push off, it's going to seal your water off to your gun, and your water is going to come out through your bypass hose. Now, the one thing about that, and the reason they're called trap pressure unloaders, is you now have pressure trapped from your unloader to your one. So you want to keep that in mind anytime you shut your machine down. You won't bleed that off and so forth. But a quick, easy way to check it: you've lost pressure, not sure why, so you want to start with the unloader. A good way to do it is you can take this side of your bypass off. Now, this is going to be run one of two places. It's either going to run back to the suction side on your pump, or it's going to be ran back to the tank. If it's run to the tank, then that's fine. Just take this off and don't worry about it. It's open-ended, no problems. If it's ran to your pump, if this hose runs from here to your pump, you're going to want to take that hose off, and you're going to have to plug this, or you're going to suck air and you won't be able to test it. Once you have this plugged and this is open-ended, you start your machine again and pull the trigger. With the trigger pulled, if you get more than a trickle out of this bypass, then you're going to know that you've got a problem. It's either washed out like this one is, or you got a rock stuck in here, but you know that the problem is in your unloader, so you need to address it there. It saves you time from having to go to your pump. So that's just a quick rundown on that. Guys, if you got any more questions on something else that you're dealing with on your machines, we'd love to help you out. Go to our Facebook page. You can ask us a question there. We'll make you a video, maybe a little demonstration, whatever we can do to help you guys out. Thanks. See you next time.